We are here na sa Nishiki Market. Look. Wow. Ito yung mga fresh, fresh seafood. Dapat yung pangalan nito, Matcharon. Hire me for your marketing. Guys, may kamasa dito guys. Photoshoot sila guys. Congratulations! Cute nila guys. Kami na ni Casey na. One of the best donuts I've tried. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Oy, sorry. It's another day and maganda masyado yung weather ngayon. Better. Hindi masyado. Pero goods na. Nasa Japan tayo. But for today's video, we are going to Nishiki Market. At first time ni Kay, dyan tayo na bus stop. First time ni Kay, tapos pupunta din tayo ng Kiyomizu-dera. So, but first, coffee. So, ganito yung itsura. 10:30 ng umaga. Late kami nagising, finally. So, finally, 7 hours lang yung tulog. But,
Uy, 7
wala
hours
na.
lang?
Average.
7 hours is full na kaya na for you.
True. So, hintayin lang kami sa bus, guys.
Okay, 6.
Medyo rush hour, so makikumbate kami. 205 bus tayo. Tara, hintayin lang kami sa bus. 205 tayo. Approaching. So, yung bus dito, guys, sa likod yung entrance. Yan, sa likod yung entrance. Tapos, you pay, babayad ka to pagpababa mo na. Pakita ko sa iyo yung coffee shop natin. Yung coffee shop natin. 1111. Ito, Kurasu Ebisugawa. Yan yung coffee shop natin. 23 minutes from our hotel. Yun guys, ang cute ng neighborhood. Bumaba na kami sa bus, tas mga 10 to 13 minute walk lang from the bus stop. Saturday ngayon, so walang pasok. Ay, may pasok ba sila? Hindi ko may pasok yung ibang student sa Saturday. Guys, nakaano siya guys, Porsche. Yaman. Sobrang tahimik lang yung dito guys, vibes dito guys. Ito na kami guys, Kurasu Coffee Shop, Ebisugawa. Ito yung order ko guys. Harukochi blend. Okay, got Hojicha latte. Iced. Guys, tapos na kami mag-coffee shop, tapos umuulan na naman. Pero hindi naman malakas. But anyways, we're walking to Nishiki Market and then we found this parang shrine. Pwede kayo mag-picture dito. Tingnan natin sa loob. May nag-photoshoot nga dito sa harap. Pangalan niya ay Goshu Hachimanju Shrine. Tapos, ito siya sa loob. Nag-picture na kami ni Kay. Sobrang liit lang niya. Malapit siya sa highway. So, konti lang yung tao kasi everyone's just passing by. Pero may nag-pay ng respects kanina. Pero yan. Lakad na kami sa Nishiki Market. Tara! Hi guys! We are here na sa Nishiki Market! Yan. Na naman? Kombate na naman. Food trip kami ngayon. Our goal is to go on a food trip. So this time, I'm gonna try to record a better viewing angle ng Nishiki Market. Kasi last time when I was trying to vlog, I was just using my phone. So ganito siya, may mga pockets of mga tindahan. So ganyan siya, may mga siya guys. It's like food, cafes, bakery, souvenir shops, wagyu sticks, and gyoza, mga ganito, cream mochi, mga chopsticks. So ganyan siya guys. Like isang hilera yan, papuntan dun. And then sobrang daming tourist spots. Like karage. What do you wanna first try, babe? Takoyaki. Gusto mo pre-taste? Pre-taste tayo, pre-taste. Sige, pre-taste. Ito yung furikake na famous. Yan yung akin, babe, pinili. Pre-taste. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yan yung akin. Ito yung brand, guys. Bumili tayo ng last time. Sugoy. Sarap. So yun guys, sikat yun siya guys. Sikat yun na brand. Ilagay ko na lang sa description sa baba. Kasi yun talaga. As in, all over Kyoto, you can buy a lot of those furikake. So, ibang section na naman. Ito sa kabila may tempura. Look. Wow. You wanna take a picture of it? So guys, gusto na ni Kay, fresh oyster tempura, 900 yen. Di pa tayo nakatry. Cash only? Cash only. So bring cash kasi marami dito cash only. Bibigyan kayo ng ganito. They'll give you. Tapos ganun yun yung trip. Tapos marami pang vendors sa loob guys. Guys, social na pot guys. Yan o. Kwek-kwek na sa stick. Octopus na stick, 600 yen. 700. Depende sa kalaki. Mating na yung order namin guys. So matcha salt. Yung green matcha salt. Tapos may isang salt dyan. Yan siya guys. With salt. Oyster tempura. Init. Hintay muna tayo. Okay guys, take 2. Cheers. Matcha salt. Wow. Pwede na. Nilabay. Tama lang. Mainit. You like it? Ito, salt lang. Cheers. Oh, sweet soy sauce pala ito guys. Cheers. Guys, so tapos na kami. Rating mo dun, babe? Fried oyster. Tempura oyster. 7 out of 10. Ako, 8 out of 10. Ito mga fresh seafood din dito. Ito may mga sushi din dito. Wagyu. Mga tamago, omelette set guys. 1,880 yan. Beef sirloin tempura. Yan o. Like strawberry mochi, daifuku. 550 yan. Fancy anything? Ito. Crab. King crabs. Ayaw mo king crab, babe? Gusto mo matry? Plain. Gusto mo plain lang? Or broiled? So guys, may option kung paano mo yung lutuin. Plain lang yung order na 400 yen. Ito siya. Curious ako ba, mas mahal kaya renta nila dito kasi malapit lang siya sa entrance tsaka sa daanan. Kasi may ibang shop sa papasok pa siya eh. Look, paloob pa. Like, I don't know if you have more expensive rent dito kasi nasa harap ka na. Madali kang makita ng tao, di ba? Ito yung tempura guys. And grilled cheese. Spicy cod roe. Broiled. And then the plain one. It's so soft. I-cover. Oh.
Ako na lang din.
Sweet, no? Alright, she's about to try with the mayo. Mayo and soy sauce na mix na. How is it? Like it? With mayo? Yan guys, natapos na kami sa King Crab. 400 yan. So kahit ano lang siya plain, masarap na siya guys. May mga ibang sauces din. Mayo, salt, yung chili pepper. Okay na rin siya. Ano?
Layo version sa kanang mamay sa grocery na
Hindi kasi totoo talaga siya eh. Hindi siya yung artificial eh. So rating ko doon guys, 8. 400 yen. Ano yung rating mo doon babe? Out of 10? 6. Wow. Sige. Ano next? On to the next food trip. Ito guys, yung next. Octopus na may egg sa loob. And then, ito yung mga fresh, guys, oh. Fresh seafood. Guys, 400. 400 yung oyster na maliit. 800 the medium one. And then 1300 for the big one. So big. Wow. Minicrowave nila guys. Minicrowave pala. May sea grape kayo. Dato, 350 yen.
あ、これ別の方です。はい。
Ito sa mga... Sige, si Keo na. Is it good? You like it? Bite the head. Surprise! May quail egg.
Maybe.
Ito. Cheers.
これ前の方ですか。
Mm.
いくらぐらいの商品。
Sarap siya guys. Mga 7 out of 10. Ikaw. 6.5 daw guys. There's a matcha shop here. All sorts of matcha stuff dito guys. Ito. Ito. Okoicha tart, 2,700 yen. May difference pala. Ito, finest mellow flavor, Kiwamigori. As Shijun, medyo bitter siya, mildly bitter flavor. What? 6,750 yan yung set guys. Mahal. Kasali na siya bowl. I think. Ito pala. Ito pala yung 6,750 yan. Mas mura yung Shijun guys, yung mildly bitter, 1,136 yan. Guys, matcha macaroons, 1,674 yen. Guys, dapat yung pangalan nito, Matcharon. Hire me for your marketing. Ito guys, ang sobrang ganda tignan. Aesthetic. Warabi, matcha warabi daifuku, 930 yen. Chopsticks making. Oh, yan. Oh, yan. Masarap to dito, babe. Takoyaki. Takoyaki. Ito siya guys. 4 pieces, 550 yen. Yun yung order namin. Meron pa may ibang flavor dito. Pero sobrang dami na niyan guys. Dito kami last time din eh. Mabilis. Mabilis din sila. Chachang! Mainit babe. It's hot babe. Kain na siya guys. Mainit. Mainit ba yan? Mainit? Ah, okay. Yan ang ginagawa ni Kay guys. Technique yan. Bubuksan mo para magsingaw. Gamitin mo yung dalawang kamay mo. Stab, tas split. Use your Boom! First bite. Mainit? Kaya na? Kaya na? Is it good? Yan ito. Oh. Oh. Sobrang creamy guys. Tingnan nyo, umusok po. Grabe oh. Hey guys, so tapos na kami. 550 yan yung apat. Dalawang flavor. So, two flavors, 2 pieces for two flavors. What do you think, babe? What's your rating? 6 out of 10? Which is better? Pilipinas or yung takoyaki dito? La. Half. So, pag dalawa kainin mo guys, yung isa dun mas masarap sa Pinas. ako mga 6.5. 6.5 or 6. On to the next one. Look! Si Sunny pumunta dito. Si Idol Sunny. Ito, yakitori. Tapos wagyu on a stick. Guys, yung itlog may caviar guys. Look at that. How much is this? Egg with caviar, 500 yen. Isol yan, babe. Il. Tapos ito, mga gift shop din. May flower shop. Ito, pharmacy. Pharmacy dito, guys. Pwede kayo bumili dito ng mga skincare. And then matcha. Yuzu concentrate. Free sample. Thank you. Cheers. Sugar free. Sarap. Okay. Keep daw yung cup para matry daw. Grape and honey. Grape and honey, guys. Uy, sobrang sarap, guys. Sugar free daw. Concentrate daw siya, guys. So, pwede mo siyang kasi concentrate siya, pwede mo siyang i-dilute with water. Or anong gusto niyong i-dilute yan. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Strawberry and honey. Ito yung na-try namin. Yuzu and honey. Yuzu and honey to, diba? May strawberry. Muscat. Grapes and honey. Strawberry to. Strawberry. Very good, guys. Meron din sila mga buckwheat and honey, mga tea. Pwede mo hatang hot. Gamit ng hot to. Sarap siya, guys. Ito yung brand. Sugibi Garden. Guys, so everything here is so good. You know what this reminds me of? Yung mga tea sa sa Turkey, babe. Remember? This reminds me of the tea sa Turkey. Pero ito mga concentrate. It's not tea, but it's like concentrate. So different kinds of flavor. Acerola and honey, Kyoho, grapes, strawberry. Yung nga sila yuzu and honey. Yan yung bestseller nila, yuzu and honey. Yan. And then I tried strawberry and honey. Masarap talaga. As in, not lying. Ito, meron din sila parang mga packs, mga sachets, like sticks, concentrates. Itong itsura. And pang pasalubong. Me and Kay are buying. So, bibili siya ng matcha and honey. I'll buy the yuzu and honey. Lagay natin siya sa sparkling water na regular. Tapos para malagyan ng flavor. So, it's gonna be really good. So, guys, umabot kami ng 5,600 yen. Napabili kami ng marami. So, that means we qualify for tax-free. Arigatozaimasu. And then, they will seal it because you cannot use it dito. So, 5,600 yen siya lahat. We went past 5,400 tax included. So, may 10% off. Yan. Yan yung shop, guys. Sugi Honey Shop. So, highly recommend yung shop, guys. Sobrang very good, di ba? Tapos, masarap siya. And then, zero sugar. On to the next. Ito, meron mga ganyan yun. So, I don't know if you guys noticed, pero pabalik-balik na lang yung nila. Pabalik-balik na lang yung mga benta nila. Meron silang masarap tong fried chicken dito. Ay, yung manok dito. Yeah, just a crispy chicken. Yung 400 yen. Yan, crispy chicken. Yan. Tapos i-refry nila, guys. Meron silang parang dito. Parang powder. Tapos i-refry nila. May chicken skin nga sila, guys. Oh. Chicken skin lang, cholesterol na tayo lahat. Kasi parang lechon manok. Ayan. Arigatozaimasu. Meron silang parang half manok dito, guys. 6,000 to 1,000. 600 to 1,000 yan. Depende siguro sa timbang. Yan ni Ken ng sauce. Ay, salt pala yan? Ay, salt yan? Try mo lang muna first. Masarap. Ano ba mayo? Ano ba mayo? Masarap siya, guys, pag mix mo yung powder sa mayo. Pero I gotta be honest, may mas masarap akong na-try. Doon sa lapit sa hotel natin dati, mas masarap yun. Kasi yun talaga fast food. Alam mo yung wala silang paki sa health mo. Sarap yun. Ito parang medyo healthy. So guys, yung rating ko sa fried chicken, ano lang, mga 5, char. Gutom kasi, so 4. I gotta do 4. And they even sell Japanese knives dito. So, if you guys are interested, pero medyo mahal lang nga siya. But no worries kasi if you buy from them, they actually pack it to be safe. Check-in, per check-in dapat. Medyo, ano na dito, medyo malayo-layo na tayo dito sa entrance. Tapos sushi pa guys, all sorts of sushi. Ito parang mga fermented stuff ata to. Yan o. Ina-announce nila ngayon guys, bawal mag-eat and walk. Kasi kung saan kayo bibili, doon kayo kakain sa harap or may designated area sila para hindi ma-traffic, hindi marumi. Kasi in fairness yung market nila, malinis. So, Daifuku, mochi. So, 450 yan. Kanina na strawberry. Yan. Thank you. Ito guys, we bought it from over here. Ayan mo guys, fresh talaga yung strawberry. Ginagawa nila dyan. First bite guys, first bite. Without the strawberry muna. And then, is it good? I like it. How much is it? 450 yen? Okay.
Can I take away?
I like it without the strawberry.
I would like one of this and one of this.
I like it with the strawberry. Harap. Thank you. Guys, sarap na mochi. Ito guys. Mochi cha place. Niro-roast nila dyan. Hindi pa sila nag-roast, so hindi pa natin maamoy yung bango. If they're roasting like fresh, sobrang bango nito guys. As in, sobrang bango talaga. Kobe beef croquette. Gusto mo yan, babe? We went inside a store para siyang seafood stuff. Ito yung mga benta nila. Gusto na may try yung oyster. Ay. Ito yung mga benta nila. Hey guys, we got the fresh oyster right here. It's not the grilled one. We're just gonna have it. Cheers. Oh. Guys, mas malambot pa siya sa mochi. Sobrang lambot. Sobrang milky, no? Very milky, guys. Yan natin yung juice. Cheers.
Okay, if you guys can find it, just come back. Here. Looks good. Alright.
Drink the juice. Guys, so, grilled oyster yan. Food dito. Cheers! Oh, hindi mo kainit. Ikaw ha? Grind na ni Kay, guys. Minute? Yung chopstick level. It's hot? It's over hot? Cheers. Without the soy sauce. Oh wow.
Lalay ka ng soda pa.
May timpla na siya. So sarap yung fresh. Sarap yung fresh, guys. Mas mahal ang mas mahal ang grill. At least. Sarap yung fresh, guys. So nakalabas na kami, guys. Oh, ito yung grapes. Sabi ko na mahal. Mahal yung grapes. Babe, yan yung pinakamahal namin lang sa buhay natin. So ito guys, may muscat grapes dito. Yan. Guys, kwento namin mamaya. Pakita lang muna namin yung dulo ng Nishiki Market. Ito na yung dulo, guys. Hindi masyado busy na. Yun yung parang may shrine sa sa dulo. Tingnan natin. Ito yung shrine, guys. Yung pangalan ng shrine is Nishiki Tenmangu Shrine. Ito. Dami na papapicture dito. Dito or doon sa sa dulo? Yan yung ano guys, yung ancestor ni Wagyu. Ito yung Nishiki Tenmangu Shrine. Sa dulo siya ng Nishiki Market. Doon tayo galing kanina, di ba? Ano to siya? Shopping district to siya dito. Pabalik kami dun sa may donut shop na daanan namin kanina. Guys, you know what's the biggest lie? Every time pupunta ka dito sa sa Nishiki, yung pinakamalaking lie is, we'll be back. And we're not. So guys, mamali kami sa Furikake. And yeah, I'm encouraging KA to buy. They actually got expensive. Ito parang parang mas spicy to, babe. Kasi may pepper. Yung alam yung yung anghang na tagos sa throat mo. Yung ganun. Pero ito yung bestseller nila. 648 yen per bag. Bestseller to. Masarap to. May free taste dito, guys. Ito yung sabi mo. This one is the spicy one. This one is the original. That's the bestseller. Ito yung parang fish. This is the fish one. That one. Yan yung halang. Meron silang chips dito, guys. Sarap yung fish nila dito. Chips. Pero yung chips nila dito may free taste. Pero yung pinakamanghang yung free taste, guys. Pero may tubig din sila dito. Tubig or tea. This is with the free taste right here. Ito yung mga free taste, guys. I have the bundle package. Babe. Nabilokan ako. There's water over there. That was so spicy. Ang dami, guys. Ito pala yung name ng store, guys. Toro Spice. Sobrang anghang. Na-choke ako dun sa anghang. Pero masarap siya, di ba, babe? Pero guys, nagulat kami kasi wala palang tax-free. Yung nagastos namin, 9,000 yen. So wala pa siyang tax-free. You gotta be mindful na. So, kung gusto nyong mag-tax-free, kung maparami kayong bili, hindi siya considered tax-free, okay? Guys, so papunta na kami ng yung famous na ano tawag doon, donut place. Hiroka ata yung pangalan. Lagay namin sa baba yung link. Sana meron pang
Lord, please, Lord.
Pinabalik kami ng 1:30 kasi kailangan pala ng reservation, guys. So, reservation tapos only 5 lang pwede mong kunin per person. So, tingnan kung meron pang laman kasi 6 o'clock daw sila magko-close. Oy, sila. Kinasal sila. Guys, may kinasal dito, guys. Oh, photoshoot sila, guys. Sobrang cute. Congratulations! Cute nila, guys. Kami na ni Kay sunod. Alaga, chuchu. Nakapasok na kami sa Hitsuji. Guys, ang haba ng pila. Grabe. Yun. Yung pila pa sila sa likod. So you can order 5 donuts per person. Very bacon cheese. Guys, we just left Hitsuji Donuts. Oh my god, it's so good. It was so soft. Ano, babe, out of 10, how much was it?
9.5.
9.5. Okay. Ako siguro 9.5. One of the best donuts I've tried in my life. Siguro pag ang Dunkin' Donuts fresh from the fryer, ganun siya. Char, joke. joke lang. It was so light and then so subtle, right? Yeah. Y'all should go.
Hits the spot.
100%. I highly recommend. One of the best donuts.
Worth it.
Guys, so we highly recommend that you guys get a ticket to get the
Sa ilikod,
donuts.
manggod. Kung like kita,
Yeah.
layo ba ita? Nya 9:30 mag-serve sila sa tickets.
Yeah, yeah. And then I bet there's a line during the ticket serving too. Yeah, so okay guys, hit Suji Donuts. Lagyan namin sa sa link down below. So yan guys, we are back na dito sa hotel and dito ko na i-end yung episode kasi medyo marami-rami na rin yung footage natin for Nishiki Market and for today. Again, kung nag-enjoy kayo, salamat sa pagsama sa episode na to. And kung gusto niyo puntahan yung mga suggestions na or napuntahan namin, nandun ililink ko sa baba sa description box. And hanggang sa muli, until our next episode. Thank you. And may grapes kami. Wait, ano yung highlight mo today? What's your highlight for this?
Ayos na ikon. Kaya ito po nang
Oh.
inugas.
What's your highlight for today?
Donut.
Donut?
Itong matcha. Latte na kung
Donut and matcha latte yung binili namin. Ano, saan ba yun? Yung concentrate, matcha concentrate.
Kaya ito nag-try lang na amazing. So good.
Ako, so far, yung food, hindi masarap. Yung lahat ng food, siguro pinakamasarap na try ko na food is yung king crab. King crab. At saka yung oyster pala. Fried na oyster.
Tapos ka itong
Fresh na oyster.
Bakit nag-awa?
Yung family nag-away. But anyways, lumabas na yung pagkachika. Salamat again sa pagsama-sama sa amin. And
Sama-sama.
till next time, pahinga muna kami tapos gagawa ko ng isang episode sa gagawin natin tonight. And thank you sa pagsama. Till next time, take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.